Here's just, I'm on my way home, and just a little video of all the drifted snow from the storm on yesterday. It's actually sunny today for about the first time in over a week. It's 14 degrees outside and enjoying some beautiful Iowa weather. I'm actually going west right now, so there's some pretty big drifts. This road right here was closed last night because of all the snow drifts going from the north to the south. They keep pushing the snow back farther because they don't have anywhere to put it. When we get up here a little farther, I'm going to get on a gravel road, and some pretty big piles of snow there. And right up here is where I tried coming through last night, and you couldn't get through because it drifted across the road. They were out here today pushing it away about 5 feet off the road. It's kind of all blown off fields. We have about 6 inches of snow on the ground right now. It's been 49 days of having at least 5 inches of snow on the ground, and the record's 52. And it sounds, from what they're saying, we're gonna break it, so. We're just coming in the back way to the house. I'm on the north side of Ankeny. Road turns into gravel up here, so earlier this morning they hadn't cleaned it yet, so it looks like they've been through here. We'll check it out. And you can pretty much tell where the big drifts were going across the road. Doesn't look too bad. see what it looks like when we get up here around the corner. Yeah, it looks like they got her all pushed back. This road was shut down last night too. A lot of snow here. This here was still blowing shut this morning, but looks like they got her cleaned up. Everybody's been out shoveling, and I would guess that everybody's about ready for winter to be over, just like I am. This is coming down our street. You guys gotta be cold. Regardless of the weather, they're still building houses. They finally did a good job of cleaning in front of ours. And as you can see, I still have a little digging I need to do, or shoveling.